Today we can talk about the basics of technical drawing. You go almost hear about that, but then we don't teach you in school. So when you hear the word drawing, what's in the canal in mind? Drawing are a form of expression where they bring ideas and emotional creativity together through lines, tones, or colors. So technical drawing and normal drawing, then similar? Well, yes. Technical drawing na a graphical language where they use signs, symbols, and lines for lay engineers them, draftsmen them, and technicians them communicate ideas. But how technical drawing dey help in our society today? You get any ideas? Well, like I be say, technical drawing dey enable technical minds dem for communicate freely. E dey also help we for be self-employed or able for control we own business. Na also the basic backbone of any country in engineering structure. Thank you for watching this video. We will talk about the branches of technical drawing in the next one.